In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails. If you write a lot of messages, having Outlook catch typos and grammar issues as you type can save time and help your emails look professional. We'll do this in the classic Outlook app, and I'll walk you through each setting so you know exactly what you're turning on. Start by opening the classic Outlook app on your computer. At the top left, click the File tab, then choose Options. This opens the Outlook Options window, where most of your preferences live. On the left side, click Mail. You'll see a variety of settings related to composing messages. In the Compose Messages section, look for the button labeled Spelling and Autocorrect. Depending on your version, it might appear as Editor Options, then Proofing. Click into that area. Now you're in the proofing settings, which control how Outlook checks your writing. Turn on Check Spelling as you type. This gives you those familiar red underlines under misspelled words while you're composing, so you can fix them before you hit send. I also recommend enabling Check Grammar as you type. That adds gentle prompts for things like punctuation, capitalization, and common grammar mistakes, helping your tone stay clear and professional. When those two options are selected, click OK to confirm. As you work, you can hover over or right-click an underlined word to see suggestions and apply a fix instantly, or ignore the hint if the word is correct for your context, such as a name or an acronym. These checks apply while you type and only affect Outlook. Next, let's fine-tune how Outlook automatically fixes common mistakes. Back in the same area, click Autocorrect Options. Here, Outlook can automatically correct things like two initial capitals, replace straight quotes with smart quotes, and swap common typos, such as turning "te" into "the". You can add your own entries too, great for brand names, product terms, or phrases you type often. If autocorrect changes something you need to keep, you can come back here later to edit or remove that entry. Make your adjustments, then click OK. To wrap up, click OK on every open window to save all your choices and return to Outlook. From now on, as you compose emails, Outlook will underline spelling and grammar issues in real time and apply the autocorrect rules you set. If you ever want to tweak these behaviors, just revisit File, Options, Mail, and the Spelling and Autocorrect area to adjust. That's it, your automatic spell check and helpful corrections are on and ready to go. Thanks for watching.